Welcome to this Beam Spotlight video. You can skip the general introduction by clicking the skip link in the description below. Beam is a puzzle platformer in which you can manipulate light beams to interact with them. Light beams have no collision or other interactable features as long as they are without fog. Other than that, they look nice, of course. Once in contact with fog, they change their behavior. In this series, we will introduce all different light beams and show how they work. Today, the green sticky beam. This beam gets you literally in a sticky situation. Parts of that beam that are in fog will glue any level object, including the player ball, to it. But don't worry, you can still escape very slowly. So unlike the others, most of the time you will try to avoid a sticky beam or cut his fog supply. Here the goal is to free the barrel from the beam. That concludes our video. Thank you for watching. Leave feedback and thoughts in the comments below. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.